Alright, in this question, ladies and gentlemen, we're told to construct triangle DEF with EF. So we have EF being equal to DF, and they're both equal to what? 7.5 centimeters. And we're also told that what DE is equal to 5 centimeters. So ladies and gentlemen, what we basically have is that we have what? We're being asked to construct a triangle, and we're given what? All 3 sides. 2 of the sides are equal to 7.5 centimeter, and 1 side is equal to 5 centimeter. Alright, so immediately we know that what we're going to be constructing is an isosceles triangle. I find that many times for me it's useful to do a little sketch before you actually do the drawing, just to get an idea as to what the thing should look like. And I'm guessing, this being the shorter side, DE, which is 5, and up here being what? F, this is EF, which is 7.5, and this is DF, which is what? 7.5. Alright, so when I finish constructing my triangle, it should look something like this triangle here. Alright, so let's start. You don't have to let this be a starting point, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to start by constructing what? Line segment DE. Alright, so here I'm going to construct line segment DE. So I draw my line obviously longer than 5 centimeters. On the left end of the line, I put the point, I identify the point D. I then open my compass to a radius of what? 5 centimeters. Alright, there it is, 5 centimeters, starting from 0 to 5. Then I put, using what? D as center, I'm going to scribe an arc to cut the line. Where it cuts the line, that is going to be my point E. Alright, E being what? 5 centimeters from D. Next, I need to identify where the point F is. It's a triangle, it has three vertices. I just identified where 2 of them are. I need to identify where the third is. I open my compass now to 7.5. With D as center, I'm going to scribe an arc. So I know that the point what? F is somewhere on this what? Arc. But one arc is not going to do it for me. I need to identify the point. So therefore I need at least another arc to cut this arc to tell me exactly where on this arc that I have what? The point F. Without shifting the compass, and the radius of the compass, which is from the metal tip to the pencil point, is already at what? 7.5. So with E as center, I'm going to scribe another arc. Ladies and gentlemen, where those 2 arcs intersect, this is my point F. So now all that remains is for me to what? Connect up all these what points. That's D to F. Alright, that's line DF, which is equal to 7.5 centimeters. And E to F. Another 7.5 centimeters. And then I could just use my pencil and my ruler to brighten the line between D and E. Alright, next, ladies and gentlemen, we're asked to what? We're asked to construct the circle which lies within circle DEF and touches each side of the triangle. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not so sure that this is even still a part of your syllabus. But what you're being asked to construct is an inscribed circle. Alright, at this moment I'm going to talk you through how to do that. To construct an inscribed circle, you have to first identify the center of the circle. To do that, you need to bisect 2 of the angles. And where the bisectors of those angles intersect, that is going to be the center of your what? Triangle, or the center of your circle. Alright, so let's bisect angle F. Alright, remember to check your notes about how to bisect an angle. I'm going to scribe an arc using F as the center, or the vertex as the center, for it to cut the two arms in two distinct places. Then using where the arc cut the line, cut the arm as a center, I'm going to scribe another arc. And without shifting the compass, I'm going to just come to the other side, over there, and I'm going to scribe another arc. Alright, now I'm going to next I'm going to draw a line from the From the center, or the vertex F, passing through where those two arcs intersect. Alright, this line is a bisector. Alright, what I just did is I just bisected angle F. Now let's bisect angle E. With E as center, I'm going to open my compass to a suitable radius and describe an arc. The important thing is that the arc must cut the two arms of angle E at two distinct points. Alright, then where the arc cuts the side of the angle, I scribe another arc. This time in front of E, and then scribe another arc. Alright. Now ladies and gentlemen, a line where those two arcs intersect, if I draw a line from the vertex E through where those two lines intersect, this line is another bisector. Ladies and gentlemen, where the two bisectors intersect, that point is the center of your inscribed circle. This point is the center of the inscribed circle. Alright, next I'll just open up my compass until it just touches the side of until it just touches the side of the triangle, and then I'm going to scribe. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that is how you construct an inscribed circle. How is it done? You would you need to bisect two of the angles, and where the bisectors intersect, that intersect is the center of your inscribed circle. Open the compass until the pencil tip just barely touches, until you can scribe an arc that just touches touches one of the sides, and then you just scribe your inscribed circle. I think the last thing we're asked to do is measure and write down the radius of this circle. Alright, so this is already open to the radius of the circle. Let me just measure it. Yes, not seeing that so clearly. Alright, this looks like about 17 centimeters to me. Alright, so the radius of inscribed circle is equal to 17 centimeters.